Here is the line. So this line is for welding the gate. Okay, and then before we weld it, we need to set up the parameter. So we can set the speed, the running speed, the accuracy, the laser on delay, point delay, and the frequency, and the power. The power is here. So we'll set the power 20 to check, just to check. Use low power to check first. Okay, and then save the layer. And then we need simulation. This is simulation, no laser on. This will just moving without laser on. Okay, combine. Then you see, here we go. See here, run. This is for just for preview. The past preview. So you can also see from the camera. Past preview. Okay, and then so now we want to laser on. So we just remove the simulation. Then running. So see the camera. Okay. See here. It's already welded. If the welding not very tough, so we need to make a little bit more power. So we add more power, reduce the welding speed. We reduce the welding speed and raise up the power to 30 and then save it. Alright? So simulation. Okay. We think this is not tough enough, so we can add more power, reduce the the welding speed. Okay, this is for line. So if you want to welding here, we have two points to weld. So we have to draw two lines in here. One line is here, one line is here. So firstly, we put the object in here. So we should select the teach mode. The teach mode is for you to find the path for welding. So here we go. So we should make the line as well. Before you make the line, you have to find the focus point for the welding place. Move to XY to find the point. So you should, through the camera, you will see the gate of the line. See here. This thing is not clear enough, so you can move the camera up and down. Through the Z-axis, we can make the focus again. Adjust the focus here. Okay, so this will be the same method to using that. We'll select the line and then each more. The first point is here. The first point is here. The red point. And then select the sample space. This is for the collecting